Utica Community Schools offers 8th graders an opportunity to apply for secondary specialty programs. You're probably asking, what are specialty programs and why are they important to me? Well, you're in the right place to find out. UCS specialty programs support the district's comprehensive high schools and their focus on successful college and career experiences. But before we dive deeper into each specialty program, here are some questions to ask yourself when thinking about applying. What type of learner are you? What kind of classroom environment do you prefer? What subjects do you enjoy? Do you have any current career interests? Would you like to split your day between 2 locations? Or maybe you just want something different for your high school experience. After hearing about the programs, you might want to schedule a shadowing day to see if it's a good fit for you. Each program offers on-site shadowing. Forms to apply are on each program's website. Let's find out more about each specialty program and hear from students. Utica Center for Science and Industry offers collaborative learning and unique electives which fit into 3 pathways: engineering technology, mechatronics, and multimedia production. CSI students are interested in activities such as electronics and gadgets, VEX robotics, tinkering and building. They may also enjoy film, music production, photography, drawing, and digital art. 98% of CSI students have gone on to post-secondary study. Students in the engineering technology pathway learn about the engineering process, electronics and circuitry, programming, and so much more. The mechatronics pathway includes studies in robotic systems, aeronautics, and alternative energy. The multimedia production pathway features digital photography and illustration, visual effects, even 2D and 3D animation. Students that attend CSI split their school day between CSI and their home school. They are makers and learn better in a creative, hands-on way. CSI students are willing to explore different solutions to problems, and they enjoy seeing the connection between classwork and the real world.
So I came to the orientation and then I fell in love with CSI and met the teachers and they were really nice. So I was like, yeah, I'll go here.
When I first joined CSI, I thought I was going to be dead set in one direction, that I thought I knew what I wanted to do when I got older. CSI kind of changed my perspective on things. I really wasn't sure whether to go into multimedia or engineering, but really there's not a wrong pathway to go from CSI. You learn skills in both that you're going to carry on forever. If you're unsure about something, don't worry about it. Any pathway is not considered like wrong. You're going to become a well-rounded student no matter which way you choose.
Next up, Utica Center for Mathematics, Science, and Technology. Utica Center for Mathematics, Science, and Technology is a 4-year program with a focus on mathematics, science, and computer science with curriculum integrated technology. MST is an active member of the National Consortium of Specialized STEM Schools. Students in the program split their day between MST and their home school. Why should you consider MST? Are you inquisitive, motivated, and passionate about learning?
I really wanted to challenge myself and I wanted to be around people that had the same drive as me.
MST offers students unique and rigorous advanced math and science courses. Discrete mathematics, analysis, and AP statistics and biochemistry are all part of the curriculum at MST.
I chose MST both for the career program and the course selection because I love math and science.
Are you interested in stretching yourself outside of your comfort zone, developing improved study and time management skills? Would you like to work with students from across the district? Then MST may be the program for you.
I love going to MST. Everybody here is really open-minded. Just coming here, you just feel so welcomed. To anybody thinking about coming into MST, it's important to know that it is going to challenge you and you're going to have to push yourself, but it's really fun and rewarding at times too.
Students in MST perform scientific research, work with robotics, and have opportunities for a junior internship. MST students have found careers at Fortune 500 companies and in positions as diverse as software engineer, dietitian, professor, clinical researcher, and graphic design. Now let's find out about our IB specialty program. Utica Academy for International Studies is a 4-year, full-day academy held at Heritage Junior High. All students at UAIS pursue the International Baccalaureate Diploma. Students who attend UAIS are well-rounded and motivated to learn in all subjects. Studies show that IB students are very prepared for college. IB is internationally minded character education. Students will debate and discuss international issues such as climate change, global finance, and human rights. They develop skills which serve them in their career as well as outside the academic world. A UAIS schedule is made up of a 4x4 rotating class block of rigorous components including an extended essay and a community service requirement. There are over 40 student-run clubs at UAIS and leadership opportunities such as Student-Led Senate, Advisory Board, and Voice Committee. Domestic and international travel opportunities are also offered. Could UAIS be the right fit for you? Are you looking for a highly collaborative environment where teachers push you out of your comfort zone? Are you interested in learning how to research and write at a high level? Is it important to you that your learning environment emphasize character and integrity?
I love the Utica Academy for International Studies because it gave me those options to study several different subjects and approach them with an internationalist and globalist perspective. For me, the Utica Academy was precisely the place that I wanted to be, because it offers just so many different courses and opportunities, and again, because of the great community here, I would say find the right fit for you.
Let's move on to Stevenson MADE. Stevenson Manufacturing, Automation, and Design Engineering Academy, or Stevenson MADE, is a 4-year, full-day academy held at Stevenson High School. If you're an 8th grade student at Davis, Heritage, or Jeanette Junior High Schools and are scheduled to attend Stevenson High, you may apply for Stevenson MADE. MADE students are active participants in their learning, starting with innovative projects in design thinking to industry-driven challenges and advanced coursework. Your voice is always present. Have you ever asked, why do I need to know this? At every turn, Stevenson MADE has redefined the learning environment to answer the why. From engineering to skilled trades, Stevenson MADE blends rigorous academic content with real-world applications.
The things I enjoy about MADE so far is you really test your abilities and you don't think just like everyone else. You're always finding new ways to think, and I never thought school would ever be like this, and they're always asking you what you need and what you want and how you want to do this, and I just really think that they're getting the kids engaged, and it'll really help you for the workforce in the 21st century.
Do you enjoy hands-on projects? Are you curious about how things work? Are you interested in creative problem solving? If so, Stevenson MADE may be the right fit for you.
I'm really looking forward to the internships, my college career, and where it leads me. I really like how we're building up our curious mind. We're always learning some new way, some new task.
In 10th grade, MADE students rotate through 3 academy disciplines: fabrication, automation, and design engineering. Pathway studies include sections in robotics, welding, and 3-dimensional CAD modeling.
I would apply to a specialty program because you're really testing your limits, and it'll really make you a better person, and you'll never regret going up for a specialty program.
Could one of these specialty programs be a good fit for you? Learn more about UCS specialty programs at on-site informational nights, or attend the UCS Academic Blitz at Henry Ford II High School on February 7th at 6 p.m. Students may only apply for 1 or 2 programs. Careful consideration should be given to your first choice. All students must take an entrance test and, if accepted, must have completed specific math requirements before starting the program in September. The online application will be live on January 18th, 2019 at 4 p.m. The deadline to apply is February 15th, 2019 at 3 p.m. But wait, there's more! Check out these sites for in-depth information and visit the links listed in the description below.